What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a battery charging speed test of Huawei Mate 40 Pro smartphone. It comes with 4400 mAh battery and 66 watt fast charging. So for this testing we will use Huawei's official 66 watt supercharger and the USB Type-C cable that comes in the retail box, along with this another smartphone for timer purpose. So right now the battery is totally dead. As you can see, it's not even switching on. So let's start our test and let's see how much time it's going to take in reaching from 0% to 100% when we charge the battery of Huawei Mate 40 Pro. But before that, if you have not subscribed to this channel till now, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So you can see that it is showing supercharging. So right now the device is connected to the Wi-Fi, none of the power saving modes are turned on, and performance mode is on. That's I'm going to turn off, and the brightness is set to auto. There is no SIM card inserted in the device, and the always on display is on as well. So it's 10 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and as you can see, it's at 33% right now, and here it says that it will take nearly 29 minutes more to reach 100%. Now it's at 35%. Very fast for sure. So it's more than 21 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and as you can see that it's at 59% after 21 minutes, and it says that it will take 25 minutes more. So let's see how much time it's going to take from here to 100%. So it's 30 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's at 78%, and it says it will take 19 minutes more to reach 100% from here. So it's 40 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery, and it's at 95%. As you can see that it is showing it will take nearly 7 minutes more in reaching 100% from here. It's 43 minutes now, and it's 96%. Less than 5 minutes left, but as you can see that now it's charging a bit slowly compared to the previous percentage. We can say in nearly 3 minutes it moved just from 95 to 96. So it's 47 minutes now, and the battery is at 99%. So I'm just going to leave it here, and let's see how much time it's going to take from now to reach 100%. And here we go. Sharp at 50 minutes mark, the battery percentage reached 100 from 0%. So it takes nearly 50 minutes for Huawei's 66 watt charger to charge the battery of Huawei Mate 40 Pro, the 4400 mAh battery, from 0% to 100%. Depending on how you use your smartphone and what are the scenarios, it will take few minutes more or less compared to what we got in this test here. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.